Is this the best buy of the year? So today I am reviewing the 4-burner Adraino gas plancher, or flat top, whatever you want to call it, from B&Q. So I picked this up about 4 weeks ago. We went in looking for some other stuff, saw this and kind of fell in love with it. I love the fact that it's got a lid on the top and the plancher underneath keeps things nice and clean. So we'll start off with everything you get in the box. So the plancher itself is removable, and then you've got your gas bars underneath, and this just drops in. That's nice and simple, just drops into place, and that's nice and sturdy. Comes with your gas hose and regulator. So your gas hose is about 80 centimeters long, and then your regulator is standard for green patio gas, which is what they all are in the UK. So say it's got 4 burners. I really like that, because on stuff this sort of size available at the minute, they're generally only 2 or 3, and they're more money. So this was £175 with the 4 burners, which is absolutely spot on. As I say, comes with a lid. I like the fact that you can shut the lid down and that doesn't stop, like doesn't cut the gas off. A lot of them cuts the gas off when you shut the lid down, so you can use this for steaming, bit of water on and shut it down. What it does do when it heats up is it lifts up in this corner just slightly like this. You just have to give it a bit of a push, and you just get a bit of a warp in the top of it as it is heating up. So yeah, that's a little bit of a negative, but other than that, it's all really good. The top itself is enamelled, so you haven't got to worry about rust with stainless steel, with cast iron, sorry, which is also a great positive. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that on there. I've cooked fajitas on there. We've done smash burgers. We've done Philly cheesesteaks. All sorts of different bits have been cooked on here so far, and we haven't really seen any real negatives. So also in the box, it comes with your little feet. You need to attach these. You've got 4 feet. These you can turn to level out, because you'll find that the grease hole is dead central, so that if you don't have it level, then your grease pulls in the corner. So I was having the grease pulled in this corner for a little while. So I've just wound this leg up slightly, and now it centralises and runs down into the grease hole, which makes life a lot easier. Size wise, so you got, if you go internal, 57.5 on the width, and then front to back it's 34.5. Overall width of the unit itself is 63, and then depth wise we come about here, so it's approximately 48. In fact, if you include the hinge, it's probably a little bit more. Call it 50 with the hinge on the back, because the hinge just slightly sits proud on the back. 4 burners, ignition in the bottom. The battery for under that is underneath, so you'd need to be able to lift it up to get the battery in and out when that runs out. And then you've got a grease tray as well, which probably needs a good clean. So that comes, so you've got to make sure that that is installed in there. Overall, £175, 4 burners, low maintenance, absolutely spot on. The only thing that has been a negative, as I say, is that lid warping and just slightly sitting higher. You can push that down flat and it then sits there. I don't think there's much else you can really say about it. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. I'm looking forward to all of the different cooks that I'm going to be doing on the channel on here, and just for us as a family. Selling the gasser that you'll probably see next door. So all I really use that for was smash burgers and things. So now having this bigger plate on there for that is so much easier, and I like the instant heat on this, rather than putting a cast iron on one of the charcoal barbecues. You've got to wait for that to come up to temperature. You're burning your charcoal. Charcoal's not cheap anymore. Then gas isn't either, I suppose. But I want to be keeping that charcoal for when I need the charcoal flavour, and then gas for when I just want something nice and hot and a really good sear. So yeah, overall, really impressed with this. So B&Q, 175 quid. I've seen these for sale elsewhere. They look exactly the same, but the model name's slightly different and they're a bit more money. So make sure you shop about. But yeah, absolutely fantastic bit of kit. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life, then please do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.